Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn on double tap to wake up the screen or double tap to turn on the screen settings in Google Pixel 7a. So here is my Pixel and I'm tapping, double tapping, triple tapping. There is no response because that feature is turned off. So I am using power button to unlock or open the screen. So how to do that is very simple. How to turn the settings? Just open your menu, then go to settings, application, then select just scroll up the page. That means scroll up the settings page, swipe up, then you can get the system option. Okay, just scroll up, then you can get the system page. Okay, open that system, then select gestures. Okay, here is the settings. Tap to check phone, and currently it is turned off. So simply tap on here, then it will be turned on. Then you can see the animation, double tap, then the screen will be turn on. So in Pixel phone, that is called tap to check, and normally it is double tap to wake up phone. So now we are lock the screen and we are just pressing double tap, and it will be turned on. So it will be safe on your power button, because if you are not using these settings, it will be going on power button to wake up the screen or unlock the phone. So average person at least press the power button daily 100 to 150 times, like in teenagers. So we can simply save your power buttons clicks on with this feature. Otherwise, so also you can turn on the features like lift to wake up or lift to check phone. So that's one of the coolest two features, double tap and lift to wake up screens. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.